In this section, we'll be looking at legal issues about online trading in Nigeria. Well, today, as you know, it's in Nigeria, there are yet no laws that regulate online trading, though online trading has become quite popular. However, there exist laws that govern money and funds management, meaning that if you want to go into funds management, there is the need for you to get registered and possibly obtain operating license to allow you manage funds for interested members of the public. It may not be so ideal to just go about collecting money from people. Instead, the brokers have systems they have set up which will not allow you, so to say, have physical contact with any people that want to invest their funds in your trading activities. We have, for example, with Forex, there is the palm system and there's the Forex copy, so that people will be responsible for their actions. When somebody gives you money to trade and you lose it, they act as if you borrowed the money from them, and you need to really take yourself out of this situation. Don't put yourself in such a fix. All right. So, but for trading forex, there are no laws that say you should not trade or trade. It's online and you can operate as an online trader. Is a means of earning income. Please take time to watch the other videos, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.